Hi there, and welcome to this training video on adding users in Enterprise. My name is Orla from Enterprise, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your users and set their permissions. So let's get you started so you can get them started. In Enterprise, in the top right, click on Settings, and then click on User Settings. In here, you can edit your permissions for your current users and add in your new users. To add your new user, click on the plus on the left, fill in information such as their first name, second name, and email address. For user type, you can select here whether to make your user an admin, an expense approver if they'll be approving expenses, or you can leave this blank. You also have the option to copy permissions from a current user in the system. To do this, click on Copy Permissions and the user you're going to be copying from. Once you have all the information about your user, simply click on Save. And your new user is added to the system. Your user will now get an email with their login details to access the system. To further edit their permissions, you can click on the OK button here. For the user permissions, there's a few different things that you can change in here. The first is their company data access. For example, you can choose whether you want your user to see all, my, or none for customers, suppliers, documents, and activities. So for example, I might want my user to only see their own customers and their own suppliers in this case. There's then a breakdown of permissions per module. You can give access to the full module and elements within the module itself. So for example, over here in sales, the user has full access, but maybe I don't want them to see sales invoices or sales credit notes, so I can simply tick these off. Finally, you have the option to give your user access to the mobile apps for that module. For example, here, the user can have access to the sales mobile app and be given extra permission to create sales orders within that mobile app. Similarly, for service, you can give access to the service mobile app, and you can choose whether to use the simple service app feature. This will mean that the user will get one service call at a time, or when unticked, they will see all their service calls for that day. This is also available in the delivery app, where you can select whether to give the user access to the delivery app and whether you want to use the simple delivery app feature. Once you have all the permissions for your users set up, simply go down to the bottom and click on Save. Your users' permissions will be immediately applied to them as they log into the system. For more information about the system, be sure to check out some of our other training videos or go to help.enterprise.com to view our help articles. You can also chat to a member of the team by clicking on the chat button on the right and sending us a message, or gain easy access to our Enterprise Help Centre from here. Thanks for watching.